Okay, welcome to Excel assignment 6. This one here we're going to create a table, and we'll also create a chart off of the table. So this one I'm going to leave it so I'll just read the text to you, and then we will just go ahead and type this on here. Okay, so the first part says we're going to create this new worksheet, and in Excel in cell number A1 we're going to, in all capitals, we're going to type top 5 popular. Then in cell A2, we're going to type ice cream flavors. Okay, in A3, we're going to say, in parentheses, we'll take the number cap locks off, in percent. Okay. And then in A5, we'll type flavor. Okay. And in B5, we will type the percent sign. Just like that. Okay, now, next thing we need to do is we're going to format the font size, okay, in cells A5 and B5. So we'll highlight these two like this, and we're going to come up here and we're going to select the Matura M7, so we can just type that in there, and there it is right down the bottom. So we'll select that one like that, and it gives it kind of a fancy looking look up there. Okay, so in A6 to A11, we're going to type in the different flavors. So vanilla, chocolate, buttercream, strawberry, Neapolitan, and other, or all others. Let's stick all up there in front. All others. Go ahead and hit enter. Okay, now let's adjust the column so it doesn't block any of the stuff here. Alright, for vanilla, in B6, we're going to type 29. Alright, in the next one down, 8.9, 5.3, 4.2, alright, hold on, 29, 8.9, 5.3, 5.3 again, 4.2, and 47.3. Okay, so there we go. Now let's just come up here and save it as Excel6. Excel6. And we'll hit save. And there we go. Now we're going to create a chart. So first thing we want to do is we want to select A6 down to B11 right there. Okay, we're going to go up here to the insert ribbon, and we're going to select pie chart. And let's do kind of like the exploded view. I think I like this one a little bit better. 3D exploded view. Okay. Now on this one, we want to move this chart to its own page. So if we click on the chart here, and you notice there's a button right up here that says Move Chart. We'll click on that, and we want it on a new sheet. And maybe we could just type chart right here. Hit OK. Now we have this on its own sheet. Okay, so we got a chart sheet, and maybe we could double click on sheet 1 here and call it the data sheet. Okay, so like that. Alright, now what we want to do is we got our labels over here, but we want to put these down at the bottom. So highlight your legend here, and we're going to right click on it, and let's see, format legend, come down here like that. Right here it's on the right, we want it on the bottom. And we'll hit close. Okay, so now it's going across the bottom. We can also make this maybe a little bit bigger, so maybe we can read it. Let's see if we can change the font size any. No, okay. Just experimenting for a minute. Alright. We also want to go on here and put on labels, or the percentages on these. Okay, so if we click on these, right click, we come down here to add data labels, and now you can see that they've got the numbers on there. So click on this. Okay, and you can change the size of your font here so people can read it a little bit better. Alright. Next thing we want to do is we want to put a title on here. So we'll go over here to the insert. Okay, we're on the chart tool, sorry. Let's go here to chart design. Okay. This one right, let's see, let's hit the drop down. Let's see if we got one. Okay. We can do this one right here. Click on that. And it kind of puts the labels around everything. It gets rid of our legend down here at the bottom. Now if we just double click up here, triple click up there, we can type in top 5 ice cream flavors. And then underneath it, just hit this and go in percent. Or just say percent. Okay, just click off of it like that. Okay, the same thing here. It wants you to print off this chart. So if we go up here, we go File, Print. Well, maybe before we print, let's hit a save real quick. So we got that on there. Now let's do a File, Print. Okay, it shows us our chart. It's on landscape. If it's not on landscape, just hit this little drop down right here and it should print it out as a landscape. Okay, so that's all we got to do. You've got it saved. Let's upload it now into Moodle and we're done with it. Excel 6.